Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you a little bit about Manus AI. So I think, yeah, you heard already about Manus AI. So Manus AI is a platform where you can use AI agents, where you can program your AI agents or give them some tasks that the AI agent will automatically execute. And I think, yeah, Manus AI is a really good breakthrough in the world of AI agents. So if you want to automate a process, if you have anything you want to hand over to your personal AI agent, then yeah, Manus AI is a really good platform. So right now you can go to the website manus.im. I will put the link in the video description down below. So then you can check it out. And this is the main homepage. So you can see here's a cool video about Manus AI. So the demonstration how Manus AI works. And
The first general AI
this
agent.
guy talks about this. Let me this white. And yeah, you can give them documents. You can give them any task you want to automate. And then Manus AI will execute this. Manus AI will deliver the plan, will make a complete plan about what they need to do in order to execute the full plan. And yeah, here you can see some examples from Manus AI. You can check them out. What Manus AI builds: data analyze Tesla stocks, plan a trip to Japan. You can give them anything you want, and also you can tell Manus AI that Manus AI should create a complete website for you. And so then and also, yeah, right now Manus AI has introduced a new pricing structure. Let me go here, pricing structure. Here you can see it's not that cheap, but yeah, you can of course first try out the free version, and then if you like it, then you can upgrade to one of the paid plans. You can see the starter plan is $40, and the pro version, it's pretty hefty. It's $200 per month. But yeah, try out the firstly try out the free plan, and then yeah, you can decide for yourself if you want to pay for it or if you want to choose a different platform. Yeah, but now I want to show you how this works. So I prepared a relatively simple prompt that I want to show you, that I want to execute here, and that I want to hand over to the Manus AI agent. And yeah, this is what I want to show you. Okay, and here we are inside my dashboard. Yeah, you can see on the side I already made a few tasks here, or give them a few tasks. And yeah, now let's paste in my new task. So my new task is I want to do or I want to see how Manus can help us make some money with affiliate marketing. Here, this is my prompt. I want to start with affiliate marketing. Find the best niches with high demand and low competition. Also provide me with a detailed content marketing plan with which my content will rank on Google search or on other platforms. Show me what I should do in order to make money with affiliate marketing. Show me also which platforms should I should I use to create the maximum traction and boost affiliate sales. Provide me with a clear UI where I can view the affiliate marketing plan in detail and follow the plan. So let's get rid of this. So yeah, and I hope when I executed that Manus AI will deliver me a good plan to make money with affiliate marketing. So I hope Manus AI find a good niche, not too saturated niche, where we can get the foot into the door. And yeah, so then I think let's execute this plan, and let's see what Manus AI comes up with here. So I click on execute, and then Manus is typing, I help you create a comprehensive affiliate marketing strategy. I research the best niches, so on and so forth. Let me, okay. And here is also, here is the computer. So the good thing is that you will get a personal virtual computer. You get a Linux machine where Manus execute everything. Manus can write code for you and execute code if Manus need a program. And here you can see, or here you saw the plan. And now Manus is doing the research for us. It's a little bit fast, but yeah. So here Manus doing right now the research. Here you can see Manus, visit Google and search for best affiliate marketing strategies, how we can make money with affiliate marketing. And yeah, here you can see the browser right now. Manus is using a live browser where Manus is, or the AI agent is searching a website, live, and gather the right information. And also you can see here all the research tasks, or the tasks in general. So, and also here you can see knowledge. So Manus want us to add some knowledge. So then we click on tab, and we can close this. And yeah, so here you can see, no, it's still the same website. And yeah, let's see what Manus comes up with here. So I think I can go back to the plan. Where is the plan? Can I see the plan? Creating file, to do. Yeah, here's the to-do list. So here you can see the to-do list, the research phase, platform analysis, research top affiliate marketing platforms, compare commission rates and structures, evaluate user interfaces, and so on. Then content marketing, develop a comparative content marketing plan, create SEO optimized guidelines, UI development, and then the final results, the deployment of our marketing plan, or our affiliate marketing plan. Let's go back here. So okay, now what's this? Okay, these are now Manus has researched, or the AI agent has researched the different affiliate platforms, or the top affiliate platforms. You can see already custom GPT 10 web. I don't know what 10 web is. Comparing to WordPress. What? Now we are on the next website. What's this? From Authority Hacker. Okay, using browser. Now, yeah, of course, this can take a while. So, of course, Manus has to do all the research, and yeah, this can take up to an hour or 2 hours. Of course, it depends on the complexity of the task you give the AI agent. And yeah, when you give them a simple task, then it's relatively fast. But when you give them a more complex task, then it can take even longer. And also, yeah, you can create programs, you can create websites. So if you need a custom script or a custom program, then you can give this task to Manus, and they will create the web app, or the desktop application, and so on. But yeah, now we have to wait. Okay, so now I think our AI agents are almost ready. You can see here we have some documents, some text documents, an HTML dashboard. And now Manus asked us if we want to create a website. So I click here on create website. And yeah, then yeah, let's see what he comes up with. So I turn the affiliate marketing dashboard in a deployable website for you. I convert the HTML dashboard in a complete website and deploy it permanently so you can access it. Perfect. And yeah, you can see here the computer, our virtual computer, our virtual Ubuntu machine. And you can see now he deploys our website, or he tries to deploy our website. And yeah, I am curious how the website will look like and how our affiliate marketing plan looks like. And yeah, you saw that it goes over quite a lot of websites and gather some information, or gather quite a lot of information. And yeah, this took a while. So I think half an hour or something like this. Now let's see. Okay, now you can see he creating the website, or he's creating the website. You can see the HTML document, and yeah, let's see if we only get one page, or if we get some other functions on the website. Let's see. Okay, now I think he is ready. Now we get the request to publish the website on our network. So we can decline it or we can accept it. Of course, we will accept it. And I click here on accept. And let's see what is going on. So deploying static project at blah, blah, blah. And here's our new website address. So let's see. Okay, here's the website. Yeah, I think it's done now. What is he doing? Yeah, Manus. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's ready. So then, yeah, great news. I have successfully converted your affiliate marketing dashboard in a fully functional website and deployed it permanently. So this sounds good. Then let's click on the link and let's see. Holy moly. Oh, wow. This is, wow, holy moly, this is really cool. So look at this beauty. So we get, wow, with cool CSS effects. So AI affiliate marketing dashboard. What do we got here? Top niches, AI video creation. Okay, low competition, high demand. Okay, sounds good. Best platforms, partner stack for SaaS and AI tool promotion. Okay, really cool. Top commission 50%. Okay, uh, that's good. He tells us exactly how much commission we can earn. So what's this? I don't know what this is. Research phase. What do we got here? Content strategy plan. Okay, tutorial actions. Oh, so we can also edit this. Wow, this is really nice. Comparison. So we should make a comparison. Jasper AI versus Phrase. I don't know what this is. Versus Right Sonic. Okay, I know this program. This is the title. Yeah, this is the title, and then we can change this. Let's click here. What happened? Nothing happened here. Okay, so, and also, if we run into an issue, so for example, right now I cannot click on edit, so then we could go back into Manus and then tell Manus that yeah, the button is not working, and for example, the images are broken here. Then Manus would yeah, would fix this problem for us and then redeploy the website. So what's this review guide? Okay, go back. Yeah, it's not perfect, but content strategy. Let's see, what's this? Niche analysis. Okay, now here are the different niches. So video, here we should create, or this is about video, this is about writing, and this is about other tools. And yeah, this is definitely usable. Of course, the website right now is not perfect, but like I said, we could go back into Manus and then tell Manus that should fix the problems. What's this? Affiliate platforms, enterprise minimum payout. Okay. Here we can see the commission rate structure, different strategy, recommended approach. Nice. Content strategy. What's this? Okay, here again. Okay, week 1. Oh, okay. He gives us a detailed content calendar. So in week 1, channel setup, introduction, some tutorials. We should write some tutorials. Then comparison, pension phase. Looking good. Yeah. SEO optimization. Okay, here we will get the recommended titles for our blog posts or for our video content. Yeah, I have to dig a little bit deeper into this off camera. Oh, of course, this is not working. Calendar. Okay, then I have to go back into Manus and tell them what's wrong. AI tools is not working. Analytics is not working. Yeah, but you can see we could definitely work with this. So resources, so we get some resources here, template, tool resources. Here you can see for optimization for video, for example, vidIQ. He recommends that we should use vidIQ or TubeBuddy, Ahrefs, and so on. DaVinci Resolve, affiliate marketing tools, pretty links for WordPress. Really nice. Yeah, so but you can see this is definitely working. Of course, here are a few problems, but we could go back here and then tell exactly what's wrong with our website or what's wrong with the deployed website, and then Manus will fix this. Of course, I will do this off camera because it takes a little bit long. But yeah, you get the idea what you can do with Manus. And yeah, I think that's it for the video. And now you have an idea. Go to the website, check it out, and yeah, make a free account and test it out. Give them some tasks, and then yeah, see what you can do with this. Yeah, so I think that's it for the video for now. So yeah, tell me in the comments, what do you think about Manus? Are you using Manus? What are your experience with Manus? What are you using Manus for? And also, yeah, if you found the video informative, if you learned something new, if you liked the video, I would appreciate if you press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my channel. I'm a small creator, and for me, every thumbs up, every subscription counts. And yeah, so that's it then. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.